This video is going to show how to change the fill radius of dynamic copper shapes in OrCAD X PCB Designer. Planes and copper pores are essential in the PCB design to ensure robust power connections and low noise in a design. With the dynamic healing feature in OrCAD X, shapes can be created and modified quickly and easily at any point in the design. The fill radius for dynamic healing can be changed to meet manufacturing and design requirements. Start by opening the provided design in OrCAD X PCB Designer. In this example, let's view the change of the copper pore radius on the V-bus plane at the top pins of JP1. Scroll up to zoom the view into these pins. To edit the global design fill radius, select Setup Design Parameters from the menu. The Design Parameter Editor window opens. Select the Shapes tab. Here you can configure options for dynamic shapes, static shapes, and split plane shapes. Dynamic shapes can be adjusted globally or by layer. Select Edit Global Dynamic Shape Parameters to edit the fill radius globally. The Global Dynamic Shape Parameters window opens with options to control shape fill, voids, clearances, thermal relief, and degassing. Select Void Controls to adjust the fill radius. This panel shows spacing options for the selected artwork format, as well as shape suppression and gap width. Enter 0.381 for the minimum aperture for gap width to increase the radius of the void corners. The corner cut radius will increase on the pins for JP1. Click OK in the Global Dynamic Shape Parameters and Design Parameter Editor window. The copper cutouts on the V-bus plane connected to JP1 have been widened. The widening has created shape islands, which result in DRC errors. This will be corrected in the following steps. To delete shape islands, select Shape, Delete Unconnected Copper from the menu. The Options panel populates with settings to choose the layer to process, remove the shape islands, and find the net that an island is on. Click Delete All on Layer to remove all shape islands. The shape islands were removed from the top layer, but not the middle or bottom. Select Layer Power Plane 1 from the Process Layer dropdown. Click Delete All on Layer. The islands have been removed from the power layer. Select Layer Bottom from the dropdown and click Delete All on Layer. The bottom shape islands have been removed. When finished, right-click and select Done. Since the middle and bottom layers were enabled, we need to disable them for the best view of the top. In the Visibility panel, uncheck the option under All for Power Plane 1 and Bottom. This will turn off the visibility for those layers. The shape islands were properly removed and the radius is larger. Quickly and easily change the fill radius of dynamic copper shapes at a global, layer, or net level in OrCAD X PCB Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.